Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 13th of March, Saturday. So this is the Forex forecast for next week, starting Monday 15 to 19 of March. So market has been ding dong playing ping pong because whenever there is this big event, right, in US, right, so a lot of manipulation in the market. So these 2 weeks, right, due to the stimulus bill being approved, right, so there is a lot of buyers in the market, a lot of people buyers, weak US dollar, and because of the stimulus, right, more printing of money, right, so they expect weak US dollar. So all these buyers, right, if we go into the market, right, before we have a bias before we look at the candlestick, right, look at the chart, right, so a lot of time this kind of bias, right, we will be caught out, because of the news, because of our own perception. So the best, right, is when we go into market, we have to be neutral. Let the candlestick, let the chart tell us where is the probable direction, not our own bias, not from our news, right. So judging from the printing of, the increased printing of currency in US, right, and the recovery, right, of the indexes stock market in US, right, we would not expect a very weak USD, right, but it's not the case, right. So that's why market is always manipulated, and if we go into market due to news bias, all these things, right, so it's very, very difficult to make a profit from the market. So let us go into the chart first. We talk about the news. Quickly check out the news first before we go into the chart. So US already approved the stimulus 1.9 trillion, and they will be releasing the check, right, next week, starting next week. So these few weeks, right, there will be a mass currency, right, flooding the market, the US market. So a lot of people will have extra money to do, to invest, to buy whatever necessary thing they want, to invest in the market, to buy the long term, to buy into long term investment or short term investment. So next week, starting from next week, there will be some market, starting to move. Could be possibly, what we see now, right, what the market, what is hot in the market currently, right, as I always said, right, the hottest asset in the market now is digital currency, right. It's a Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. So most likely cryptocurrency will get a boost. We are not confirmed, but likely, there will be a boost in cryptocurrency. Of course, there will always be a boost in the US stock market, right, due to the flood of the extra funding in the market, right. So people might use it to buy the stock, all these things. So there could be a spike in the US stock and possible digital coin, right. And gold have a little spike, but gold is still on a downtrend. We don't foresee that a lot of people will invest in the gold, but nothing for sure. Okay, gold might still might go U-turn, okay, into bullish market. We are not sure, so we still have to wait. Okay, what the mass market, okay, what the majority US people will do, right, after they receive the money. Okay, where is the boost? Okay, where they will all put their money in. So, and don't get caught. We expect a weak US dollar, but it did not happen, right? US dollar actually strengthened, right? So that's why we have to always be neutral and let the chart tell us what to do, not the news. Okay, and it will be quite difficult to trade. Okay, we have to trade very carefully with all these big events, this major big event, US election, this big stimulus bill, war, all these things, right, will affect. We have big effect. A long-term holiday, this we have big effect in the trading. So have to be careful. So US, okay. So last week, this week, right, this week trading, US, okay, their CPI numbers are not up to expectation. Okay, so drop. Okay, CPI is okay on par with expectation, but the core CPI, okay, dropped from 0.2 to 0.1. Canada kept their monetary policy. US oil inventory actually dropped to 13 expected, okay, to hold at 3.0, okay, million. Actually increased to 13, okay, 13.3 million means, okay, not so good for the oil. Okay, the more the oil usage in US, right, means the better is the industry because they use more oil, right, means more production, and good for when the oil actually drop, right, they will buy more oil, right, so it's a good for the oil industry. But it did not drop that much as what expected. Drop to 3 million, it still hold at 13 million. So this one, the monetary statement, right, and in Europe, okay, remain the same, so no changes. So they got ECB conference. So Canada, okay, Friday, the Canadian employment change actually improved, okay, and employment rate improved. So, okay, it's a good, okay, good for Canada, okay, good, strong for Canada. And Europe, neutral, okay, remain, and the US, okay, numbers are dropped, okay, US numbers drop. So let's see next week. A lot of event, okay, next week. So China industrial from a Monday, we have to see China industrial production and retail sales year over year. Okay, so they expect a break gain 32, 31.2 and 32.0. Okay, so this one will benefit the country that export a lot to US, export a lot to China, okay, Australia, New Zealand mainly. And we got Tuesday, we got Japan government, Bank of Japan governor Kuroda speaks. And Tuesday evening, we got a retail sales month, okay, retail sales of the US. So this one, be careful. They expect a drop also, okay, a drop on the retail sales, monthly retail sales. Wednesday, so we got RBA, Australia, assistant governor can speak. Europe, so Europe, they got a parliamentary election. Okay, so this one, be careful on the Euro. So on Wednesday, CAD CPI number. So they expect improvement, and crude oil inventory in the USD. Okay, so this one, be careful on Wednesday. Okay, on the Euro. Okay, the election, CAD CPI number, and US crude oil inventory. US crude oil inventory will not affect their currency. Okay, a lot. So this will affect the Canada, because Canada is a oil exporter, right? So the more it drop, right, it's better for the Canadian, okay, for the CAD. So Thursday, so US federal rate, okay, so they expect no changes, so Thursday, be careful. If anything, any big changes in the, okay, federal fund rate, so there will be a big impact on the dollar, okay. So Thursday, be very careful. So also, they have New Zealand, okay, GDP, quarterly GDP, also they expect a drop. So in the morning, all this in the morning, okay, uh, Asia time in the morning, okay, in the morning, 2 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, Asian time. So it's late at night in US, okay, for the this one for the fund rate, okay, published. So it's early morning in the Asian time. So so in the morning, okay, we got Thursday, we got New Zealand GDP, we got Australia employment change, okay, they expect improvement. Unemployment rate also they expect improvement for AUD, so all this it come out in positive, okay, will be good for Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. Okay, so we got RBA assistant, Australian government can speak again. In the evening, okay, we got another policy, another bank rate, okay, they expect 10% for pound, okay, so any changes, so Thursday, a lot of big news, okay, US federal fund rate, okay, and Britain, okay, official bank rate, so this one, Thursday, be very careful, okay, very big, uh, a lot of big, okay, press conference, US press conference, a lot of big, could have a lot of big announcement, and pound also, okay, bank rate, and after the bank rate, okay, they will have a MPC chase, so this one remain the same. There's no, okay, there's no conference for GDP for Great Britain pound after the rate. Okay, so in the evening they got Thursday in the evening they got a CAD non-farm employment change. No result here. Philadelphia manufacturing index for USD, so they expect an improvement, okay, on the manufacturing. So on Friday, monetary statement, policy statement, okay, from Japan, press conference, BOJ press conference, okay, and core retail sales for Canada, okay, and retail sales for Canada, okay. So Friday not much, okay, not a big impact, okay, not a very big impact day, okay. The big impact day is Thursday, so be very careful on Thursday, okay, especially for USD and pound, okay. So we look at the chart. Okay, so Euro USD, actually Euro USD is on a downtrend now, okay. It already passes this very important support resistance line that we drawn last time. Okay, after it passes, right, it's become bearish. Okay, the trend become bearish. Okay, so we do have a rebound over here. Okay, we expect the price to go a bit higher over here. Okay, we expect the price to come, and after the breakout, right, we expect the price to come and to touch to reach the 1.1201 or 1.1206, this area, right. So the price did come up short, okay, did come up short, but as I said, price does not go, okay, straight up, okay. So price might, okay, go in wave. Okay. So this one, after the breakout, it came back and retest. Okay, this we can consider a retest Okay, the price came back, the wick actually came back down to retest this breakout area, right? Okay, and it goes back up. Okay, so this one we can consider a retest. Okay, if Monday, alright, if Monday the price doesn't come back down in the morning, okay, doesn't come back down below 1.1933, so okay, likely the price will continue to go up to retest these two areas, 1.1201 and 1.206. Okay, so here, because this one, right, is a lower low. Okay, so after it break here, it's already a downtrend. Okay, after it broke this area, right, after it break this area, okay, it's already become lower lows, but the price it did went back up here. Okay, so here to here now, right, it's 50-50. Means buy and sell is possible. Okay, 50-50. Okay, so possible. Okay, we want to buy here, possible. Okay, if the price rebound over here and it went back up, right, went back up above this line, okay, so there's a possibility to buy. Okay, if the price actually, okay, get rejected at this area, okay, after it came here, it get rejected, bounce down, okay, so possible we will also sell. Okay, because we can draw a trend line here, a downtrend trend line already been established over here. Okay, already been established a downtrend trend line. So what we want to do, okay, if the price actually get rejected around this area, okay, possible, okay, we want to sell it towards this area, okay, towards 1.1933, okay, possible, we want to sell if the price come here and rebound, okay, at this area. If the price continue to break up, okay, the bullish momentum will continue, okay, if the price actually okay, breaks up above this trend line, this we draw a trend line over here. If the price can break up above this trend line, means the trend has reversed back to the bullish trend. Okay. Pound USD, I made a tweet about the pound USD here. Okay, March 11. Okay, Forex, pound USD and AUD broke above sideways with consolidation, possible buy opportunity. Okay, I also post it in my Facebook. Here, okay. Actually, I took a trade. I took a trade on this breakout. Okay, this after I post the video. Okay, I didn't manage to post this trade. Okay, but actually I took a trade over here. Okay, the breakout. I put my stop, okay, slightly below this 1.4024. Okay, slightly because I took an intraday trade. Okay, so actually the price did hit the target. After it hit the target, it came back down. Okay, so this one another retest. Okay, you can see this is another retest. Okay, so the price went back up. So as I said, trading breakout, there's two ways to trade. One way, okay, trade the breakout over here, okay. For aggressive trader, for not aggressive trader, you want to confirm a breakout. Okay, after a breakout, it came back to retest. Okay, this is always almost a confirmation of a breakout. Okay, if the price actually drop back below here, below the consolidation, okay, then that is a false break. Okay, but this one, the price actually dropped down and the price went back up and stopped above. Okay, so this is a retest. Okay, so likely this one, the price will come and retest 1.42, 1.4024. If we're able to break 1.4024, we'll be looking at this one, okay, 1.4233. So the price, okay, will stop around this level. Okay, the price doesn't stop, okay, exactly at the level that I highlighted. Okay, because this one is a area. Okay, this I mark this as this one is an area. Okay, it's not exact the line. Okay, so nobody can know exactly where the price will stop. Okay, because trend line right is just a reference. Okay, for us to do charting and for a guide for us to see where the price is likely to stop. The price will not exactly stop at the exact point. Okay, so there's few things that we need to know. Okay, price will not stop exact at the point, and price does not go in straight line. Okay, the price will go in wave. Okay, possible. Okay, in wave. So there's two things that we have to know before we take the trade, right? So USD JPY has been very, very weak due to the economy. A lot of news about their economy issue, and they are having a very bad uh, uh, COVID infection. Okay, COVID shutdown. Okay, in many cities there. Okay, that's why, and with the strengthening of the USD, you can see, right, the price actually went up. So we talk about the consolidation area, see which area, which side the price broke, right? Actually, now the price still broke up. Okay, so likely after the broke above, likely the price will come here and retest the 1.9, 1.09729. Okay, if the price really drop back in next week, okay, then most likely it will be a reversal. Okay, indicating this false break. Okay, so we have to see Monday. So AUD you see I highlighted these two areas, 0.7728 and 0.762922. So these two areas, okay, a break above, okay, a break above indicating that it would go and retest the 0.7813 area. Okay, a break below. Okay, we want to wait for a rebound in order to buy, because this is a very strong uptrend. Okay, this is a very strong uptrend. The price has not made a lower low. Okay, what is lower low, right? Okay, this is the previous trend. Okay, previous trend, right? This is a higher high. Okay, so this is not a lower low. Okay, so this is still technically it's still uptrend. We look at Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD has already made a lower low. Okay, a lower low. Okay, so this one already is technically is a downtrend. Okay, so this one technically, right, is still an uptrend because it had not first. Okay, it haven't, okay, made a low of the previous, okay, low. Okay, it haven't made a low that is lower than previous low. Secondly, this wave, right, has not made a lower low on the current, okay, current downtrend. It has not made a lower low here. Okay, if the price went back down over here, then this indicate a downtrend technically, because it already made a lower low. So this one has not made a lower low, and it has not break the previous low. So this one technically is still an uptrend. Okay, so the price broke up. Okay, so this one I also took a trade. Also took together after the announcement. I also took a intraday trade, right here. Okay, so another profitable trade. Okay, actually I made two profitable trades. I put the stop loss slightly short to this 0.7813. Okay, don't put exactly, right, Okay, because this one will be, a lot of people will be selling here, so the price might not reach here. Okay, it will come down. So this one, the price did not reach and the price will come down, but this indicate could be a retest because the price actually came back down here and now pushed back up. Okay, so this could be a likely a retest. If morning, if Monday we see the price go up, right? So this is a retest. Okay, most likely it will come and test 0.7318, 7813. If we're able to break 7813, we'll be looking at 7909. Okay, 0.7909. In uh, New Zealand versus dollar. Okay, similar thing to AUD USD, except okay, the price actually broke down below, okay, below the consolidation. Okay, so this could be a false break. Okay, this could be a false break. So this one we will not trade it. Okay, because this is uncertain. Okay, it could come down here and break over here. If it come down, break over here, most likely, okay, it will come down and retest 0.7027, okay, S2. Okay, if it went back up, okay, then it could likely come and retest 0.7233. Okay, if it breaks above, then it could come and test 0.7317. Okay, so this one, after it broke, right, actually after it broke the uh, consolidation, right, okay, the price already hit the target, okay, 0.7233, the first target. Okay, so this one we have to wait because this one is uncertain. The pattern is uncertain. And USD right? USD we talked about this. Okay, this consolidation, right? Okay, so the strength of the CAD, right? From the news, okay, from the news section just now, okay, the strength of the CAD actually, okay, broke the consolidation and already reached our target at 1.2468. Okay, so this one already reached the target. So last week I talked about here these two area consolidation, 1.2741 and 1.2586. So if it break 1.2586, okay, it should come here and test 1.2468. So we want to see whether it can break. If it cannot break, okay, it will come back and retest this area 1.2685 or 1.2586, this area. Okay, we wait for rebound to sell, or if it actually can break, okay, we wait for a rebound at 1.2468, a retest. If it breaks over a retest, then we sell. Okay, we sell the USD CAD. So go XAU USD, we talk about this area, very important area. Okay, the price try to break down. If the price break down, right, okay, we can see gold actually drop to, you know, much lower. Okay, possible. Okay, after the break over here, possible drop to 1500 or the 1400 area. Okay, so this one be very careful. Okay, for gold. So looks like, okay, the price got rejected. Okay, at the bottom of the channel here. Okay, the price went up. It's in it broke out a little bit from the, it broke out from the consolidation area, but straight away it printed a print bar. Now already print bar. So this is, okay, so this is anybody's guess. Okay, so many pin bar over here. So this is question mark. Okay, so most likely, okay, avoid this one for next week. So we don't have a clear direction where you want to go. Okay, two pin bar. Okay, so the bull and the bear is fighting it out. So we don't have a clear direction. Okay, so this one possible we leave it first. Okay, until they print out a direction. Okay, but if the price actually came back up, right? If the price actually managed to come back up, okay, to test 1765 area, if it managed to come here, then we look for another sell opportunity. Okay, if the price come to 1765 area, okay, and get rejected, sell opportunity. If the price continue to go up to 18 115 area and get rejected, opportunity to sell. So this is a downtrend now, okay. So we will look for opportunity to sell at this resistance area, okay. Okay, let's look at the crypto. So Cardano is finally Cardano broke out from the channel, okay. So likely it will come down to retest this 0.94 area, okay, or possible 0.7 area. These two areas is in play, okay. After the breakout, right, these two areas is in play. So opportunity to buy, right? If you haven't buy, you want to buy, okay, a rebound at 0.94 possible, or a rebound at 0.701 possible, okay, for buy opportunity. So Bitcoin again, okay, already make higher high, okay. I think okay, Bitcoin already reached 58,000 now, okay, already make a new high, okay, but RSI still not making new high yet, okay, so this one is still in danger, okay, still RSI, right, is making lower low, lower low, lower low, so this one still in danger of correction, okay, so don't buy over here, okay, wait for a correction, okay, this is also at the top of the channel, so wait for a drop, okay, a correction, then only opportunity to buy. Possible over the 41,000, okay, area, okay, possible 41,000 area, possible 41,000 is very, I think it's unlikely, maybe 45,000 area, okay, opportunity to buy. Ethereum, so Ethereum had regained the upward momentum after a drop back to 1,200, 1,287, okay, so but RSI is not making higher high, okay, it's not making higher high yet, so possible there's could be another, okay, could be another correction around here, or maybe if drop further, you want to see, okay, whether the price actually a rebound over this area at 1667 area, okay, or a rebound at 1421 area, okay, a rebound over these two areas, possible to buy, okay, so now the price is, okay, creating something like a flag, okay, a breakout of the flag, okay, a breakout of the flag, okay, possible opportunity to buy. Litecoin has has gained the momentum, upward momentum after a drop back to 150, okay, around 150. So now the price has already go up again around over to 220. Very big gain for, okay, for Litecoin, because Litecoin is cheap, okay. A spike from 150 towards current price, right, is 45% already. It's 45% already at 220. Okay, because it's cheap, so a little spike is a very high, okay, income. Okay, a very high profit. So this one again, okay, the price is already go up. Again, it's very near RSI, very near the top, so not a buy opportunity. Okay, wait for her price to come back. Okay, I think the price should continue to go up after a price come back to retest. Okay, correction maybe, okay, maybe here, okay, 180, okay, a price correction maybe at 180. Okay, if the price come back and correct at 220, so the price at 220 now, there's no much changes. Okay, wait for a further drop. Okay, wait for a further drop, maybe 180 is a better opportunity to buy. Okay, take a quick look at US index. Okay, so Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq is on a rebound at 12,384 rebound. it dropped out of the channel, okay, so it dropped out of the channel. Now after it rebound the top of the channel, we have a resistance. If we can break the top channel, okay, we continue to be bullish. Now it's neutral. Okay, Dow Jones is very bullish, okay, after the announcement of the stimulus. Okay, Dow Jones is very bullish now. Okay, most likely it continue to go up towards the center of the channel. S&P 500 also bullish, okay, after the stimulus, so it's continue to go up. Okay, looks like US index, okay, is recovering. Oil is also very strong. Okay, oil is still very strong. Okay, it's in the middle of the channel, so there could be, okay, there could be some correction before it can break out above the middle of the channel. Okay, so so that's it for today. Okay, so trade safely. Remember to like and share my video. And also press the bell, okay, and subscribe. Okay, if you're new here, remember to subscribe, right? So every Wednesday I'll do an update, okay, on the crypto and the forex and crypto, and every Saturday I'll do a forecast for next week. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.